All right, we're back with another video. I just got finished shooting in Aventura. I had to shoot for a Crocs store, low-key, second shoot I've ever done. So I'm here in this area, and dude, we have such nice cars here in Aventura. Dude, look at this thing. So I'm gonna get some cool shots of these, because low-key, I've never shot a Porsche before, and I've always wanted to shoot one. So we're just gonna get ahead. Like, look at that. I'm not gonna try to take as many verticals as like, but man, right now I'm using the Sony f1.8 50mm, your little nifty 50 as they call it. I didn't even know they called it that. I just thought it was your ordinary prime lens. But dude, this lens is amazing.